Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. Let's get started with a little warm up for our hips. Go onto your elbows and we're going to do 8 knee circles. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Really paying attention to the opposite hip. 3, making sure it's not lifting as you move your right knee. 2, and 1. Let's reverse for 8, going out and in for 7. And we have 6. Let's go for 5 and 4. We have 3 and 2. Get ready. 1, we're going to extend our knee and continue hip circles going up and out for 4. Nice and slow. Make sure you have space. 3. Keep that left hip down. 2 and 1. Then we're going to reverse, going out and up for 4. Let's go for 3. Keep that left hip down. And 2. Last 1. Then we go to our left leg, bending the knee. 8 hip circles. Let's go. 4, 8, and 7. We have 6 and 5. We have 4. Let's go for 3. Let's go for 2. Last 1 and reverse for 8 and 7. We have 6. Let's go for 5 and 4. You've got this. And 3. Remember, it's just a warm up. And 2 and 1. Extend the leg. 4 hip circles with the knee extended for 4. And we have 3. And let's go for 2. And last 1, then we're going to reverse. Last time for 4. Let's go. Last time on this side. 3. We have 2. And 1. Beautiful. Shake out your legs, prop yourself up into a seated position and extend your arms in front of you. Roll out your shoulders. Do what feels good. And let's take our left leg in front, right leg behind in a double stag. Going from one side to the next, keep your feet where they are and just let your hips stretch out here. Do a couple more windshield wiper movements here. Amazing. Let's make our way down to our back for some hamstring and glute exercises. Just roll out your knees side to side to open up your hips. And then let's plant our feet flat on the floor. Belly button to spine connection here. On the next exhale, you're going to lift your hips up into a pelvic lift here. We're going to do 8 pelvic lifts. Let's go for 8. And lower. We're going to go nice and slow today. Really squeezing your glutes at the top, engaging the backs of your legs. Let's go for 7. And we have 6. Make sure your feet are in line with your hips. 6. 5 more. 5. Option to take your arms off the floor, either on your hips to make sure you're lifting evenly, or you can take them into a first position. Let's go for 2. And last 1. Beautiful. Keeping your arms up, lift your heels, and we pulse. Open and in. And again, open the knees and in. Let's do 6 more. We have 6 and in. We go for 5 and in, 4 and 3. 2 more. Keep those toes where they are. 2. And last 1. Option to place your hands down as you lift your hips up and down for 16, 15, 14, 13 little pulses. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Lower your heels down. Catch your breath. Lower your hips. And then we're going to go back up to that pelvic lift with our left heel off the floor and extend the right leg up to the sky. Point through the toes and extend the knee. And as you exhale, flex your heel down. Lift the right leg up. Flex the right foot down. Lift the right leg up. So it's slow and controlled kicks. Let's do 2 more. And lift. Last 1. And pulse the thigh close to your belly button. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower the left heel, lower the hips, lift the hips, and lower the hips. Again, lift the hips, lower the hips. We're not out of the woods yet. 2 more, lift the hips, lower, keep that right leg lifted. Last one, and lower. Keep that right leg up. Bring the right leg closer with your hands. Extend your left leg underneath you and pulse 2 times before you switch. Pulse, pulse, and switch. Pulse, pulse with your upper back lifted off the floor. We're doing this for our core and as a little interlude between the 2 sets. We're going to go onto the left side next. Keep going with those switches. And last one, go ahead, lower your head and your neck down, lower the left leg down, and pull the right leg up higher. Feel free to grab the inside of your heel and extend it to the side to open up your hips. And then let's find a really comfy and well-deserved figure 4 here. We're going to repeat it all, starting from the pelvic lifts, feet flat on the floor. Let's lift up, exhale for 8. Inhale, lower, down. We do 7 and lower. Let's go for 6, lower, 5. Keep going. Option to take the arms off. Let's do 4 and 3. We have 2. Last one, keep the arms off, lift the heels up, and we open and close the knees 8 times. Let's go for 8. And bring it back. Keep the hips lifted as you're opening and closing. So we're really targeting those glutes and deep external rotators. Keep going. You have 5 more. Beautiful. Lower the arms. We have 16 pulses, lifting the hips up and down. Let's go for 14, 13, 12. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You've got this 2. Last one. Beautiful. Lower the hips, lower the heels, shake it out for a second. And then let's walk our feet back, flat feet, lift the hips, lift the right heel, and extend the left leg up towards the sky for those slow motion kicks. Let's flex the left foot down for 4. Point it up. Really try to get your thigh close to your belly button here as you kick it up. Let's go for 3, 2, last one, and we pulse it up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep the leg lifted, lower the right heel, lower the hips for 4, and lift. 3, and lift. 2, you've got this, and lift. Last one. And lift. Beautiful. Lower the hips, grab the foot, extend the right leg underneath, and pulse, pulse. Then we switch. Pulse, pulse, and switch. Pulse, pulse, and switch. Option here to take your hands behind your neck if you want to challenge your core a little bit more. Also an option to bring your elbow to the opposite knee to really work those obliques. Keep going. Beautiful. Grab that left leg, pull it up, and then find a nice delicious stretch here by grabbing the inside of your heel, extend it to the side, and then let's bring it to our favorite figure 4. Just shake it out here. Do what feels good. Amazing. Once you've caught your breath, let's extend our legs underneath us. Both knees are stretched, back is flat against the floor, and we're going to kick that right leg up and down. Let's go for 8. We're going to kick it up for 8 and lower. 7 and 6. 5, really keeping that left knee straight. 3, 2, and 1. Switch legs. Left leg for 8 and 7. Try to keep that right hamstring on the floor. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Go ahead and rotate your legs. Turn your feet out from the tops of your hips. We're going to keep our feet flexed, and then we're going to bring that right leg to retire. Développé to the front, extend, and flex lower down. Again, draw the toe up to your knee. Extend it up towards the sky and flex to lower down. Point the toe, draw it to the knee. So since our legs are turned out, it's a little bit more challenging to balance here, but that's what we want to work on for when we're doing class. Beautiful. Last one. And let's switch sides to the left, toe to knee. Extend, keeping the rotation, and flex to lower. 3 more times, toe to knee. Extend, flex to lower. 2 more times, toe to knee. Extend, keeping that rotation. Don't let it turn in the way that I did. I know it's really challenging and really tiring, but you've got this. Amazing. Go ahead, give yourself a hug and roll yourself up to a seated position. Swing your legs to the side, and let's go on to our left side body to start. So our right leg is stacked on top. Let's begin by doing 8 regular clamshells, opening and closing the knee for 8. We have 7. Keep going for 6. Really stacking the hips on top of one another. 5. And 4. We have 3. And 2. Last one, then we're going to extend the knee at the top, but we're going to try to throw the leg as close to our shoulder as possible. Let's go for 3. Kind of like you were doing a flick. 2. On the last one, we're going to extend that leg underneath us and pulse the right leg closer for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Bring the right leg to meet the left leg, and we're going to do développés on the side. So bring the toe to the knee, lift the knee, extend the knee, and lower down. Let's do that 3 more times. Toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, and down. 2 more. Toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, lower down. Last one. Toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, and lower down. Reverse, we do enveloppé. Lift it up, bring it in, toe to knee, lower down. Again, lift it up, bring the knee in, toe to knee, and down. 2 more times in your own time. Beautiful. Roll onto your belly, press into your hands, lift your upper body off the floor into a cobra stretch, and then let's sit back into a child's pose. Feel free to walk your hands side to side, swing your hips, and then let's make our way onto our right side. Left knee stacked on top of left knee, left heel on top of left heel, and we do 8 clamshells. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, and 5. Keep going for 4, nice and slow. Beautiful. Last one. Keep the knee open. Lift the left knee and extend to flick and bring it in. Again, extend to flick. Bring it in. 2 more. Extend to flick to the sky and down. Last one. Extend. Extend the right leg underneath you, and we pulse it out for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Let's bring the leg down, and we do 4 développés on this side. Keep going. Let's do 4 enveloppés, reverse. Amazing. Press onto your belly and then press up into a cobra stretch to stretch out your back and your hips. And then let's sit back to a child's pose here once again. We're going to make our way to a tabletop position. So go ahead and point your head towards the front of your mat, toes towards the back. Place your elbows down so that we have a little bit more range in our hip. And we're going to extend that right leg behind us. Rotate the right leg so it's turned out. And we're going to kick it up and down 8 times. Let's go for 8. We have 7 and 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, Last one, pulse it up for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We start again, kicking it down and up for 8. Let's go for 8, 7, 6. Really keep your belly button to spine connection so that you're not sinking in the back to get the leg up. You're really using your turnout as well as the openness in the front of your right hip. Beautiful. 16 pulses. Awesome. Sit back into a child's pose and just stretch it out here before we do the same thing on the second side. We do the same thing on the second side, kicking it up for 8. We have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We pulse it up for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we kick again. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. We pulse it up for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You got this. 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Stretch it out in a well-deserved child pose. Make your way up to a triangle with your right leg forward and try to get your belly button flat on your thigh. On the next inhale, lift your left heel up off the floor to get closer towards that right leg. Beautiful. Let's rock back and flex into the right foot before finding a lunge. Why don't we bring that right knee open towards the corner, gently place that left knee down to really get into that front glute. And then on the next exhale, let's bring our hips back, stretch the right knee and bring the nose towards the shin. And feel free to slide into a right leg split here. Make your way to a pigeon so we can stretch out the front hip and the glute, and feel free to walk forward here. Just relax. And let's switch sides. Take the left leg forward. We're going to lift the right heel up to get closer towards that left leg. Rock back, flex into the left foot. And then let's find a low lunge here. Let's find that lizard lunge once again. Gently place the right knee down, untuck the toe. And then let's sit back, stretch the front knee, and feel free to slide into a left leg split here. Once again, find your pigeon with your left knee bent, right leg extended, and feel free to fold forward here to really get a nice deep stretch in the back of that left leg, and maybe even the front, and maybe even the back leg. Who knows? Amazing. Find a butterfly, and then bring your nose past your toes. Option here to finally find a straddle and roll into a middle here. Your hips should feel really nice and open and stretched. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout, and please let me know what you want to see next. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, let me know what you want to see next, because I want to create more content for you guys and help you guys out. And let me know if you liked this video. So I'll see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. Happy dancing. And until next time, bye now.